Today, I will explain the relation between volume strength, normality, and molarity of hydrogen peroxide solution. We know that on decomposition, hydrogen peroxide solution produces oxygen gas. So this term, volume strength, is related with the amount of oxygen gas produced by the hydrogen peroxide. This volume strength of a solution is equal to the amount of oxygen gas produced by the decomposition of 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution at NTP. So volume strength is equal to the amount of oxygen gas produced by 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution at normal temperature and pressure condition. If we want to write the equation for the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, it will be hydrogen peroxide on heating decomposes into water and oxygen gas. Oxygen gas is produced. Balanced chemical reaction for this is 2H2O2 equals to 2H2O plus O2. If we apply mole concept here, we can say that 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide on decomposition produces 1 mole of oxygen gas. And we know 1 mole of oxygen gas is equal to 22.4 liter of oxygen gas. If we calculate molecular weight of hydrogen peroxide here, it will be equal to 2 atoms of hydrogen plus 2 atoms of oxygen. If we calculate this, it will be equal to 2 multiplied by 34 equal to 68 gram. So from here it is clear that 68 gram of hydrogen peroxide produces 22.4 liter of oxygen gas. So this we can write as 22.4 liter of oxygen gas is produced by 68 grams of hydrogen peroxide. Suppose we are considering the amount of oxygen VO. So we can write VO liter of oxygen gas is produced by 68 divided by 22.4 multiplied by VO, this much gram of hydrogen peroxide. This is the amount of hydrogen peroxide required to produce VO volume of the oxygen gas. We know normality of a solution. Here normality for the hydrogen peroxide solution. So this normality is hydrogen peroxide solution. The normality of a solution is equal to the gram equivalents of the solute. Here solute is hydrogen peroxide. So gram equivalents of hydrogen peroxide divided by volume of solution. Solution means volume of hydrogen peroxide solution in liters. We know gram equivalent is equal to the weight of solute, here weight of hydrogen peroxide divided by equivalent weight upon volume of solution in liters. If we put all these values, then we'll find weight of hydrogen peroxide. We just calculated. It is equal to 68 into VO divided by 22.4, and it is divided by equivalent weight, which is equals to equivalent weight of hydrogen peroxide is molecular weight of hydrogen peroxide is 34 gram, and its equivalent weight will be equal to 34 divided by 2 because its valence factor is 2. It is 17. So equivalent weight of hydrogen peroxide is 17. Volume of solution. We are considering here 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide solution. So volume of solution is 1 liter. If we solve this, we'll get 17 4 are 68. If we divided this, it is 5.6. So we can say normality of the solution is equal to VO divided by 5.6, or we can say VO is equals to normality into 5.6. This VO is the amount of oxygen gas produced, and this oxygen gas is produced by hydrogen peroxide solution. So this is the volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution. So we can say volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution is equals to normality into 5.6. This formula is used in numericals. Let's see the relationship between volume strength and molarity of the solution. We know that normality of the solution is equal to molarity into N factor or valence factor. Normality from here is equals to VO on 5.6 equals to molarity into N factor. N factor for hydrogen peroxide is 2. So we can write volume strength for hydrogen peroxide equals to 5.6 multiplied by 2 into M, or this is equals to 11.2 into M. So this is a relation between volume strength and molarity of the solution. These two formulas are used in numericals. On some bottles of hydrogen peroxide solution, it is written as 10B H2O2 solution or 20V H2O2 solution. This means that if 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide is heated, then it produces 10 liter of oxygen. And this means if 1 liter of hydrogen peroxide is heated, it gives 20 liter of oxygen. Let's see some numericals based on these formulas. First type of question which are usually asked, first one is calculate the volume strength of 20N H2O2 solution. Here normality is given, volume strength we have to calculate. We use this formula. Volume strength is equals to 5.6 into normality. This equals to 5.6. Normality here is 20. So this will comes out to be 112. The volume strength of this H2O2 solution is 112. That means if 1 liter solution, 1 liter 20 N solution of H2O2 is heated, it will produce 112 liter of oxygen at NTP. So from here we can say that volume strength of hydrogen peroxide multiplied by volume of hydrogen peroxide solution is equals to volume of oxygen gas produced. Solution. This formula we can also use in the numericals. For example, if there is a numerical which says that how much amount of oxygen gas produced by the 5.6 volume strength of H2O2, or the question is 5.6 VH2O2 solution will produce how much oxygen. So we can write 5.6 multiplied by 1. We are considering for 1 liter. It is equals to 5.6 liter of oxygen. This formula is also used in the numericals. more type of question asked, like, let's see that. Calculate the amount of oxygen gas produced by 60 and 2 liter H2O2 solution. Calculate the amount of oxygen gas produced by 60 V. By 60 V, 2 liter hydrogen peroxide solution. For this, to solve this question, we will use this formula. Volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution here is 60. Volume of hydrogen peroxide solution is 2 liter. It is equals to 120. It is equals to volume of oxygen gas produced. So, from this 60 V 2 liter hydrogen peroxide solution, 120 liter of oxygen gas is produced. This is all about the volume strength, normality and molarity of hydrogen peroxide solution.